Hello, this is Data Solution, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the error no module name find Tkinter. So first of all, I'm going to open terminal, and over there I'm going to install several packages using Python 3 pip, like pip3 install, numpy, pandas, and matplotlib. So I have already installed these packages, so it won't take that much time. Now I will clear my screen. Then I will navigate to desktop. Over there I'm going to create a file named test.py, in which I'm going to write a single line command, that is import matplotlib.pyplot as clt. Then I'm going to save it, and when I'm running it using Python 3 pip, that is Python 3 test.py, it is giving an error. So it has said no module name Tkinter. So in order to remove this error, you just need to type sudo apt-get install python 3 tk and then enter your system password. So now after installing, when you type python 3 test.py, it has successfully executed. So if this video helps you and solves your problem, please do hit like and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.